Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about what is UDF in PySpark. A user-defined function in PySpark is a way to extend the functionality of Spark SQL by following user to define their own functions to perform operations on a data frame columns. Okay, UDF can be easy to apply custom transformation to data that are not available through built-in function and provided by PySpark. Actually, it is like, functions in the Python. Okay. Suppose you want to write some custom function. Thus inbuilt functions are not fulfill your requirement. So those scenarios, we are going to create a UDF in PySpark that will help to you apply on the data frame. As per your requirement, you are going to create the transformation logic using UDF function. Okay. Now use cases for UDF. Custom transformation, we need to perform complex calculation for transformation that are not supported by built-in. Whenever inbuilt functions are not helping to you, then we need to write a for custom function. Data cleaning, to clean pre-processed data like in specific way, such as removing unwanted character or formatting string, we can create with help of user-defined function. Business logic, to implement specific business rules that require custom logic. So these are the general use case of UDF. Now I'm going to showcase you with one example that will help to you for the user-defined function. Okay. Let's create a simple example when you defining a UDF to categorize employee salary into different level, like low, medium, high. Right now, here I'm importing the required libraries. Okay. From pyspark.sql, import Spark section. Again, from pyspark.sql function, import UDF, pyspark.sql type, imports string type. Now I'm creating a, by starting this one, this is a, starting of the code. I'm creating a Spark section. Okay, we are starting with help of by creating a Spark section. Spark equal to Spark section dot builder, app name UDF example get or create. With help of get or create, with help of Spark section builder method, we are going to create a Spark section. Now we are defining a list of tuple contain employee ID. So I'm creating one variable here, and this is the list of tuples containing employee ID, name, and their corresponding salaries. Okay, this is the data set which I have created sample. Now I'm creating a data frame for the sample data. For this data set, right, I'm creating a data frame column equal to ID, name, salary. Then I'm creating one more variable df equal to spot.create data frame data comma column. Data in this sense, this is the one, and I'm telling to this is the ID, name, salary has a column. Now I'm just for our purpose, I'm just printing original data frame df.show. Now here I'm writing a small function define UDF to categorize your salary. So I'm creating with help of def keyword. Guys, if you want to understand that what is how to write a function in Python, okay. First of all, you need to learn the Python function. Then come back here. You try to think about the transformation, how to write it. You will definitely will you able to write. Okay. Before understanding the function, right? Try to explore about if, for, while statement and function in Python. Then do some practice. After understanding that, you are able to write in PySpark also. So def categorized salary. This is a custom function I have written. I'm passing an argument salary. If salary less than 2,500, then return low. If 2,500 is less than equal to salary, less than 5,000, return medium. Else return high. This is a if statement. I have written write the okay. So I'm defining a Python function with help of categorized salary. And salary has an input and return a string indicating whether salary is low, medium, or high. Okay. Now I'm registering the UDF. So why? Because whatever function I have written, right? I want to register the function using UDF method, and return type has a string type. So I'm creating one more variable. I'm UDF with help of UDF method. I'm registering the function with help of string type. It is returning. Okay, return type is string type. Now use the UDF to create a new column. Suppose I want to create a new column, salary category. So df with column I already created a one video for this. So you can refer with the column video that will help you understand more. Df with column, salary category, which column I want to apply salary category. Okay. Now I'm applying the function to the particular column, category salary, UDF, df salary. So this is the existing column. I'm creating a new column with help of df with column. I'm calling this category salary. I'm applying to the particular column. Now after this one, see my output, the ID, name, salary. After applying the user defined function, now we can see this is the column I have created with the column. Then I am applying the UDF for this salary column. This is the data which I got it. I hope you understand this logic, how we can utilize the UDF function, how apply the transformation by using custom function. Okay. Now summary UDF. Allow you to define custom function for complex transformation business that are not covered by built-in function. So this is a summary, guys, which I'm giving with one example. So you will understand more and try to see if you are already aware of some AWS or Azure pipeline designs, right? Try to implement those logic with help of custom. Then what happen, it will help you to understand more the UDF utilization. Then in real-time example, you can also utilize it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.